everyone, this is Granny Josie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of jewelry that I purchased from eBay. And this lady always sends me a nice thank you note, plus a lot of free pendants as a gift, so it is really neat. Anyway, I will get started. Here is a statement piece. I love her jewelry. And I actually received 2 of these. So I won't show you that one. And look at this. This is fabulous. Love this necklace. Absolutely. You know, and I'm not really crazy over beads, but I would wear this one. And you know, red's my favorite color. And here is a brand new set. Matching earrings, gold tone. Excuse me. Here's a stretch bracelet and another stretch bracelet. Oh, and the reason I bought, there's 2 lots here, and the reason I purchased one of them was look at my favorite cross. Now, I'm keeping this one for myself. I collect crosses, and I love that. Let's see, there is so much. Here is another gorgeous statement piece. The beautiful pink. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. Here's a stretchy bracelet. And look at that. It's magnetic closure. Really beautiful turquoise color stone. And let's see. A lot of beautiful pieces. Here's a toggle clasp bracelet. And we have another statement piece. As you know, those are my favorite. And here's a gold tone bracelet. Really beautiful. A little big for me, but it can be squeezed smaller. And this is in mint condition. Not one mark on it. And we have earrings. We have earrings. And if anyone noticed, this is the second video today. I messed up and showed an address on the other one, so I pulled it down. So the box is already opened. Here's a pendant. And I'm usually more careful, but today I messed up. Beautiful turquoise color, matching earrings, new on the card. I am so thrilled with everything. Now, have you ever seen a locket bracelet? It's really, really cute with a heart. And that's in mint condition. And I was fascinated by this owl. Okay, let's look at this. Hopefully you can see the beautiful blue stones. So pretty. This lady just does an excellent job. And everything's usually color-coded, but like I said, this is the second time I'm going through this box since I accidentally showed an address. That's a real no-no. Beautiful pair of earrings here. They're cool to the touch, so they're not plastic. Love them. Now this is, look at this. matching. And this still has a tag on it. I'm going to show you. Absolutely gorgeous. Whoops. Not that way, is it? And then, now I think I probably will sell those together. They're really beautiful. And here's a pair of beautiful turquoise color earrings. Another turquoise color pendant, silver tone. Everything's in mint condition. It's just, this lady outdoes herself. Beautiful. Look at that. Love that. Wow. I'm going to have a hard time getting rid of some of these because I love them all. Those beautiful. But I will probably do a pop-up the first part of the week. They're pretty. Now I'm not going to go through and show you all the pendants because there's so many of them. Isn't that gorgeous? Just love everything. And in all of the 2 lots, there was only one piece that had one tiny little missing stone. So there's not many sellers that you buy from that are that great. She is just fantastic. Here's a stretch bracelet. She just does an exceptional job. And here is another pair of earrings. Okay, that's beautiful chain still on the card. And another necklace. Now this is a stretchy bracelet, and it does not look like a stretchy bracelet. When this is on, you can't even tell it's a stretchy bracelet. It's very comfortable. Love this too. This has a lobster clasp, beautiful red stones. And this is Hallmarked Avon. It's in mint condition. It's very tiny. I wish it was larger. It's too tiny for me and I don't want to stretch it. I may give this to my granddaughter. And here is another locket brooch. And a heart brooch. Just so many beautiful pieces. And here is that is plastic, a little rose earring. Oh, let's see here. This is really beautiful. I want you to see that stone. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Hopefully you can see that. That is just gorgeous. Mint condition. No discoloration at all. That is just beautiful. Now here is, oops, somehow I got these tangled. They weren't originally. She separates everything so nice that things do not get tangled. I have 2 favorite buyers, or sellers, excuse me, on eBay, and both do a fantastic job. And this is not my favorite. It's in beautiful condition, but I'm not crazy about the chains that appear to be painted. It's just not my style, but it is in great condition if you like something like that. Like I said, there's lots of pendants. Here's rhinestones. Really, really, really nice. I'll show you a couple more pieces and then let's see. I will be doing a pop-up again. And see, pieces like this, those are just free gifts. So she does beautiful. Just really beautiful. Oh, and I love this. To CZ. I would keep this, but I actually have one that I bought years ago at Nordstrom's that's really gorgeous. And this is in mint condition. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I will do a pop-up, like I said, at the beginning of the week. And this is the second video today because I'm usually very careful when I hold a box up. I do not want to expose anyone's address or my own. So this is kind of a retake. A little bit shorter probably than the first one. Anyway, hope you enjoy my video. Talk to you later. Bye.